Let's talk about the truth behind lithium batteries. 95% of batteries are ion lithium. According to a toxicity report published by Professor Ji Sun, when lithium batteries are exposed to high temperatures, it emits over 100 gases, including carbon monoxide, becoming toxic to both humans and the environment. The European Commission, in a report released last year, stated that not only does the production of lithium batteries produce greenhouse gases, only 46% of batteries are collected for recycling, leaving a 54% to be thrown to the landfills or incinerated. As you could see in the video, the social impact is huge as well, not only affecting the Congo miners, but affecting Latin America due to the excessive mining in the lithium triangle, which affects all water resources. Lithium-ion batteries are a key element of today's technology. They power our cars, computers, and phones. But let's dive into the inner problem. About 43% of the population of the world has a smartphone. That means 3.3 billion phones with lithium batteries that are regularly disposed and replaced. Lithium is the new white gold, new petroleum. The problem is wicked and there is no end in sight. That's why we decided to tackle the cell phone battery and revolutionize the industry. We give you here an alternative to lithium cell phone batteries by harnessing Geobacter sulfur-reducent's maximum power. It is a sustainable alternative for cell phone lithium batteries based on a renewable energy source. How did this happen? First, let's talk about where the energy comes from. Geobacter sulfur-reducents are a group of creative bacteria which converts chemical energy from organic substances into an electrical current and energy. And how do we harness this energy? Through a microbial fuel cell, or MFC, composed of an anaerobic medium anode, an aerobic medium cathode, a proton exchange membrane, and an external circuit. The anode chamber of the MFC contains the bacteria in their growth medium and a carbon-filled anode. These tiny bacteria eat organic substances present in their growth medium, releasing electrons through the anode to an external circuit which allow immediate energy use. By understanding this, HEA modified factors within the MFC in order to optimize the energy produced by the bacteria. What was the process? First, artificial selection, selecting the best suited bacteria to produce energy from different batches. Geobacter sulfur-reducents attaches itself to the anode, avoiding the need of a mediator in the MFC. This basically means that the Geobacter and the anodes speak the same language and no information is lost in translation, therefore ensuring maximum exchange and absorption of energy. Combining chemical and compounds, creating the ideal growth medium for maximum energy production for a sustained period of time. Creating a three-dimensional, empty, complex shape increases surface area and therefore current and energy production. Carbon-filled high porosity allows bacteria to easily attach to the anode, facilitating rapid electron diffusion to the external circuit. Modifying the cathode with a catalyst prevents a low oxygen rate reduction in the cathode. And lastly, ensuring an optimal substrate and food concentration for growth and energy production. You may now be wondering how all of this can be applied to a cell phone battery. HEA consists of two parts: the bacteria incubator, or HQ, and a battery powering the cell phone. The battery core is an enhanced MFC, allowing maximum energy production within the cell phone. This MFC contains live bacteria, but maintenance is needed when its life cycle ends. The battery needs to be refilled with new Geobacter from the HQ. The HQ design is like a puzzle. Essentially, all parts work for the growth and use of energy-producing bacteria. HEA comes with the first batch of Geobacter sulfur-reducents ready to grow and multiply. The growth medium allows the bacteria to grow and multiply. Fumarate and acetate are fundamental gases that are needed for bacteria growth and efficiency. The inflatable cushion pushes the bacteria out of the HQ and into the cell phone battery. Bacteria and the MFC mechanism produce waste that's carefully stored in the bottom of the HQ, a removable compartment that is periodically emptied by the user. The MFC within the box is used to power the HQ. It is completely self-sufficient. That's how With our cutting-edge technology, the HQ becomes your own personal bacteria incubator, which will ensure the constant growth of geobacter and the necessary mechanisms to fill your cell phone battery with new power. HEA works in 3 steps: fill, feed, and dispose. The cell phone sends a warning when it's running low on bacteria. Both battery and HQ contain pipes to exchange worn-out bacteria for new bacteria. It's done by injecting the new bacteria into the battery, which in turn pushes out of the battery and into the waste compartment the old bacteria. To charge the battery, plug the phone into the HQ, wait a few seconds, and it's done. For bacteria growth and usable energy production, they must be fed. HEA provides interchangeable pods filled with ideal growth medium and substrate for the geobacter's livelihood. Color change in the HQ indicate a new pod is needed. Waste production is stored in the HQ. When the compartment is full, the disposal of organic, non-toxic residues is completely safe. An immersive experience redefines the interaction with technology. The interactive HQ recognizes the bacteria needs through color codes alerting of any changes in the contents of the box. Additionally, by placing your phone on the HQ, all crucial information on the state of the incubator and battery will be displayed on your phone. Sounds pretty cool, right? How does HEA make it happen? By partnering with major cell phone brands, including HEA as a part of a bioeco cell phone. Cell phone brands have faithful woke users, where HEA can connect with such users that are looking for cleaner and more transparent brands. HEA can be purchased directly in stores, both walk-in or online. The geobacter is placed in the new HEA HQ. A qualified technician installs and synchronizes the cell phone. HEA will provide you with interchangeable growth medium food pods that can be purchased through the website or HEA cell phone app and delivered to your home. The HQ internal sensor creates direct access to data and activity. HEA receives information from the box and cell phone, notifying you of any issues. HEA will be with you every step of the way by collecting the HQ and cell phones, doing the necessary maintenance or repairs for it to be returned or resold. Any reusable parts will be utilized for any future HEA products. Imagine a world that is completely powered by bacteria, where organic technology is the new normal, where cars, computers, or even buildings receive their power from nature. HEA, alive as you.